In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Asana for digital marketing agencies. Let's dive into creating a seamless workflow that keeps your projects organized and efficiently managed using Asana's powerful tools. Begin by setting up a client portfolio using the Portfolios feature available in Asana's business plan. This allows you to cohesively group each client's projects together, providing a comprehensive, high-level view of progress. For instance, in a portfolio named Client A Portfolio, you could include projects like content marketing, paid ads, and SEO optimization. This arrangement gives a holistic overview and helps streamline management. However, if you're on the free plan, you can mimic this by utilizing tags or custom fields to categorize your clients neatly. Next, focus on setting up standard client projects. For every client, create a dedicated project encompassing key workflows such as a content calendar covering blog posts, social media, and email marketing. Include aspects like paid ads management involving platforms like Google, Meta, and TikTok. Also, incorporate SEO and website optimization through site audits and updates. Don't forget to add reporting and analytics. By using project templates, you'll save valuable time by not having to rebuild these workflows for every new client. Building campaign boards is crucial for visual campaign tracking, and board view serves this purpose well. Arrange columns in sequence like ideas, draft, in review, approved, scheduled, and live. Each task here represents a campaign deliverable, such as an ad creative or blog post. Additionally, make use of subtasks for detailed actions required, like content writing, design, and publishing. This structure ensures clarity and simplifies following complex campaign elements. To streamline client approvals, leverage the Forms feature to allow clients to submit requests for things like ad creatives or content changes easily. Next, utilize the approval task type, enabling managers or clients to provide feedback such as approve, changes, or reject by automating with rules like when approved, move to scheduled. This automation minimizes email dependencies and keeps everything efficiently organized in a single location. Managing internal team workflows becomes effortless when using Asana. Assign tasks smartly to your team members. Writers, designers, strategists, and ad managers. Employ custom fields to track necessary metrics like client name, channel, priority, and status. Moreover, workload view aids in balancing team capacity, ensuring tasks are evenly distributed. To track deadlines effectively, make use of calendar view for content scheduling and timeline, or Gantt view for detailed tracking of campaign launches and complex multi-channel projects. These views help ensure that campaigns remain on schedule and milestones are achieved timely. Finally, build comprehensive dashboards to analyze important metrics such as the number of campaigns per client, task completion rates, and ad spend reports. Sharing these dashboards with clients fosters transparency and strengthens client relationships. By following these instructions, you will solidify your agency's workflow, making project management with Asana not only simpler but more effective. Happy organizing!